Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So it is the weekend now and the kids are over at my parents' house and we have just been chilling out. So I'm just going to go for a walk. So unfortunately guys, my audio wasn't actually working. That's why I got the headphones in, but it wasn't working. So let's fast forward to the walk. So we are at the local park here and some unkind people have actually vandalised the park. Not very good. And the council is taking forever to actually fix it. Hello and welcome to the worm race. Yes, they have decided to put some really cool drawings on. Race the worm is pretty cool. I think that wasn't there last time, and the same with the butterfly. Here we have a little corner where there should have been some water, but unfortunately because of the dry weather it's all dried up, and as you will walk along with me you will see the grass is so yellow and it's not green like it should be here in the UK. Hi guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's episode, and here I'm at the bridge. I'm going to end the video here. Now as you can see there should be water in here, but as I said it's very dry and hot, so we have no water. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and and I'm just off to the pub now, I think. Why not? See you later, folks.